Hi, welcome to Popcorn Talks. Today we are going to talk about birds. Let's go. Birds are fascinating warm-blooded vertebrates belonging to the class Aves. With over 10,000 species globally, they exhibit diverse sizes, colors, and behaviors. Birds' ability to fly is made possible by their lightweight bodies, feathers, and strong wing muscles. Feathers also serve as insulation, communication, and for courtship displays. Birds are omnivorous, with specialized beaks for different diets. Birds play essential ecological roles as pollinators, seed dispersers, and predators. They are found in various habitats, from polar regions to deserts and rainforests. Migration is a common behavior, with many species undertaking long journeys for breeding and wintering grounds. Birds communicate through songs, calls, and body language. Birdwatching is a popular hobby that contributes to conservation efforts. Birds are descendants of dinosaurs and evolved approximately 150 million years ago. They have unique adaptations, such as hollow bones, efficient respiration, and endothermy. Courtship displays, songs, and calls are common mating behaviors. Birds face threats like habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and illegal hunting. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect their habitats and ensure their survival. Birds' roles in ecosystems, as pollinators and seed dispersers, make them vital for maintaining ecological balance.